Hello, our amazing Sky family. I am Ms. Zane, primary music teacher here at Sky International School. As we complete another wonderful school year, I would like to share some memorable moments from our musical journey together. This year, our young musicians achieved many wonderful things. One achievement I am especially proud of is how beautifully they learned to play their instruments in their wonderful performances at school concerts. What made us successful? Special was seeing our students grow, not only their musical skills, but also responsible and confident young performers. Every great year comes with challenges. This year, we worked through learning complex rhythms, mastering stage confidence, whether it is adapting to new learning methods or overcoming performance. Our students showed incredible resilience and determination. Dear parents, thank you for your trust, support, and partnership throughout the year. Education is most successful when school and family work together. Your encouragement at home and listening to all the practice music plays a vital role in your children's success. And we truly appreciate everything you do. During the summer, I encourage our students to read regularly, listen different genres of music, and practice their rhythms. Spend quality time with your family, explore new creative hobbies, and most importantly, enjoy the holiday while keeping music in your hearts. At Sky International School, we're already preparing exciting opportunities for the next year. We are planning new musical experiences, more student-centered performances, and exciting creative projects. We look forward to welcoming all students back for another year of growth and harmony. Thank you for being part of the Sky International School family. Have a wonderful vacation, stay safe, and see you next academic year. Here at Sky International School, learning today, learning tomorrow.